Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel and another brand new video of AI and machine learning. Ever wanted to dive into machine learning but didn't know where to start? Today, I'll show you the easiest tools to kickstart your ML journey, all beginner-friendly and mostly free. 1. Google Colab. What it is, think of it as a coding playground in the cloud. You don't need to install anything, just open your browser and start coding in Python. It's a cloud-based platform provided by Google. It has some key benefits like free access to GPUs for faster computations and collaborative features to share projects. 2. Scikit-learn. What it is, the go-to library for basic machine learning tasks, easy to use and very powerful. Key features include pre-built algorithms for tasks like classification, regression, and clustering. And it is perfect for small to medium-scale projects. 3. TensorFlow. Alright, TensorFlow is the heavyweight champ for deep learning. It's what powers AI like image recognition and speech processing. And it is scalable for beginners and experts. There are also tons of tutorials and pre-trained models available. 4. Kaggle. Kaggle is like the gym for aspiring data scientists. Practice, compete, and learn. It has thousands of free datasets for practice. It's a ready-to-use Python notebooks to save time. These tools, Google Colab, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and Kaggle, make machine learning accessible to everyone. Let me know in the comments which tool you're excited to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more ML content. Thanks for watching.